rivers for me is my path of my life. I'm following the rivers, and my goal is in my life is to see new rivers, and because each one of them they have different beauties and things to wonder, and it brings a lot of good things like friends and experience, and or learn a new language or culture. And so I make my profession out of living close to the river, and of course I also do kayaking for fun. So everything is in my life is regarding to rivers. So I am one of these person who's gonna support just the free water running down.
Kako mi je jednom rekao jedan gospodin iz Elektroprivrede, gospodine Hitko, vi ne znate koliko svaki dan protiče tu dolara koji idu u nepovrat. Sama ta rečenica kaže sve. On ne vidi rijeku, on vidi dolare. Šta reći da je?